Hello, good morning everyone. And today we our sub team are going to uh, participate on a very interesting and demanding topic called artificial intelligence. Either it is a job creator or a job destroyer. I think most of us, as a BTech students, undergraduates, we feel that AI is a job destroyer, right? And most of us believe that AI is upgrading and our jobs may be no more software jobs in future, and uh, maybe the AI can replace each and every human in every sector and uh, every kind of role, and even it is replacing the uh, some at some extent it may be replaceable for the humans, and uh, it uh, it replaces the humans and makes the jobs lack of jobs for the IT sector students. What do you think, Chandrika?
I agree with you, Jayavardhan, completely. What I'm trying to say is the valid point mainly based on like it is a destroyed of many traditional jobs like data entry and common customer care services and also manufacturing units also. So not only a job destroy, it completely applicable for creating more opportunities for mainly it focus on the person's what I'm trying to say is it decrease the quantity of the person or employees. It completely eligibility.
As you said, there are layoffs in IT sector. It is good, but there is a small change in that sentence. The layoffs are mainly the companies thought we can hire 10 more employees by giving salary to one employee. So there they are thinking that one mind is equals to 10 minds. So they are uh, taking the one person job who uh, taking more salary.
I can definitely accept this. AI is a job destroyer, and it also automates the workflow and it speed ups the environment and our software also. So AI is doing very fastly.
I accept your I accept your sentence, Siluza. It's help us for the developing of our work easily, and also the it's small our work through symbolizing, and we can learn it simply using the AI. We can make our skills better and more. We can achieve the more strength and more things.
Yes, Sandeep, I am also agreed with you, and we learn some new skills. Artificial intelligence can develop our skills and create our jobs more efficiently. Sometimes it can destroy our jobs, but it creates opportunities more than of our skills. So
Yeah, I agree with you, but uh, it's not about layoffs or opportunities. It's all about our skills and knowledge that we apply on the job that we need to. So we need to concentrate on our skills so that the job opportunities will be available um according to your skill, not depending upon the uses of AI or other things.
And yeah, I think AI not simply a job destroyer, and it is a job transformer on our repetitive works.
Santosh, do you want to say anything?
As you said, AI is coming forward, the taking jobs of entire our jobs, software jobs, but completely different human brains. It can not think like human brains. Definitely, it can't over the humans.
Yes, as our friend Santosh said, AI can't replace the humans completely. Maybe some factors are there, like human emotions or special thinking capacity or the thinking according to the situations. AI can't replace sometimes. And uh, Shrikar also told that based on our skills, yes, it's a cut point. And uh, if we upon and if we update it more than the AI, or if we able to uh, stand up one step before the AI, thinking the additional capable skills and having the skills that may not be replaceable by AI will be more beneficial, and that may be acceptable by most of the companies nowadays. What do you say, Sindhuja?
Yes, I definitely agreed with your point. AI is not replacing humans completely. It helps to reduce the manual works and automate the systems. So it abolishing and reduces the wasting the humans' time in regular manner, and abolishing the traditional jobs and creating some more updating jobs which are required by our software sector, that are like cyber security and machine learning, are so many. By adopting all these technologies, our country will also be developed day by day.
If AI conquers the world, there is no problem in the jobs that are done by the people. In other ways, we can tell that to teach the AI, to build the AI, to make the AI to work. This all works can be done only by the humans. So, in one way, the human will lose the job. In another way, he will get the job to support AI.
As Sampath said, it is up to our hands. In our hands, we will decide whether how we use AI, and the tool we can use for the anything to done our works. So what I'm trying to say is AI just is applicable for the works we used. How can we use like that only? And it cannot completely replace the humans, like for collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and also communicate with the people, and some other works too, like Jayavardhan already said about the human emotions. Some things like, or some works are really done by the humans only. It cannot be replaced by AI anytime.
Yes, it's any work. Yes, my teammates have said very important things. Those are really the correct. And in connect with that words, I'm saying, yes, these are the points which is a very can't replace the humans uh, completely. It's replacing the partial, I said. I think too.
Based on the perspectives of each and every teammate in our group, we want to conclude that AI is not a disadvantage or advantage of getting a job opportunity. It depends how we use it and um, how we depend on AI. The jobs are available for every candidate who is enhancing and updating their skills based on the particular job that they want to. So we need to use the AI to simplify our things, but we should not depend upon AI for our works. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We are sub team 1 and sub team 2 from team 2. So today our topic is every opportunity is an chance for innovation. So what we really think, to put it simply, like every innovation that like our UPI payments, our everyday ride sharing, it's all about they stop complaining about it and they put those into technical solutions for us to use it for in an innovative way. So this is our topic for today, and we want to do a great discussion about this. So, what do you think, Devendra, about this?
Actually, innovation begins when they think the problem in different way, different perspective. Because in case of UPI case, what if we think to try it as a website? Why not website? Why only app? It's about thinking differently, how it will be useful for users. What would you say about this, Prasad?
Yeah, you're right. When we think that a problem is not an obstacle and we have to create a new solution for that, when we have them, then only we think critically, then only we will get a new solutions for that problem.
Yes, but not every problem like, leads to innovation. Some problems have human created, and some when you have existing method, what the use of creating new innovation?
Maybe you're thinking it in the other side around. Like, what about thinking that in a bad side around? But I think the things you want to do and innovate to make our life easier, not to complicate that, no? So, making and complaining about it daily. So, rather than we will just put it in and use that for our everyday use. That's what I think from your side.
Yes, I agree with that. I would like to add an example. Online shopping become a more popular nowadays. So because people wanted to buy things from home, so technology helps us and solve the everyday problems.
Yes, yes, I agree with your point. So we should not stop with one. If we fail in one solution, we should not stop with that, and we should search the other way to solve the problem, and that leads to the innovation.
everyday problem can it everyday problem it can still leads to the instead of you can facing one problem, then that time you can think the how to solve it with the new ideas. And suppose we are all team and we are all team, everyone have an ideas. So teamwork is very important for new innovations.
Srihari, can you share an example that where you have used this innovation in your real world? Means which innovation used in your real world life?
Technology developed the problems because online shoppings and orders, they are improving the technology problem solving. Technology provides the new opportunities, provides the improving the self and a lot of chances the failures and success. Give a chance, one more chance to problem rectify your ideas and improve the opportunities.
Kiran, can you share why actually innovation takes as problem, not about solution?
Innovation creates a new path to the problem, and we can learn from that problem how to change how to find the best solution to that problem. And after finding the problem, we can find the solution also and develop new things that are related to our problem, and finds new ways to learn on that problem, and continuous learning from that problem we gain some knowledge and experience. So we can think a problem is not difficulty, and we can take the problem and analyze the problem. How can you build another solution to that problem, our own understanding? That's all.
Divya, in our campus environment only we are facing many problems like no parking system, long queues at administrative block. Can you think this type of innovation can solve those problems, and how can it can be solved?
I surely agree on that point, Devendra. Like thinking about our campus and thinking about the problems we face here, like it's the daily thing we face over here, right? So to solve that, what I think is we can do about some slot-based approaches there, like given a slot to certain people at that time, they can access that point. So like this, we can reduce the queue line over there, and we can easily, like, it makes our lives easy rather than waiting there in a long queue. So this is from my side.
Devendra, is failure can give opportunity for innovation?
Yeah, when others try to innovate that, you may fail that this is already failed. So we can try in a new method. In that way, why can't we think?
Is any question you want to ask me?
Divya mentioned that using some technologies we can solve that campus problems. Is that using only technologies we can solve it? Otherwise, any environmental source we can have to solve it?
By the teamwork also we can all solve the problems. By so many have some members have some ideas. By that ideas we can solve the problem. As your teamwork also we can solve the problem. Is my opinion.
Srihari, in your life, which problem you can make it as an opportunity?
A lot of opportunities they can provide the one failure to how to success to implement your daily life and become the patient's lot of and implement the new ideas and technology provides and how to become the develop the success process. I can implement the innovation. Thank you.
Srihari, I partially agree with you because innovation is not only about creating new technologies, it is also about using existing technologies according to our problem. What's your opinion on this?
So sorry, I've not heard that correctly. But you were talking about?
Innovation is not about completely inventing a new technology, but it's of using existing technology according to our problem.
Yeah, we can surely do that. But talking about our current topic, choosing our daily boon into our into an opportunity that times we can use the existing ones also to make our present one into a better solution, not just copying it from there. We can just make some changes according to our needs and we can change. And I think few of us have some more points.
But at the time we take so much of time, right? We want to create a new technology, but it already existing is there. It take time so much.
Talking about you, what you have spoke is you're talking about the time waste, but I'm talking about how we integrate the older version to ourselves and calculate it to our needs. So I'm just making it easier, like it takes less time now rather than creating it out of scratch.
Yes, I agree with that. So we should not see the problem as like a barrier. We should see that like an opportunity to solve the already existing problem. And many innovations focus on a faster innovation, faster and easier way. Uh, the people start living like that.
Kiran, I came to know that you have worked on smart garbage system, so it's completely a new innovative project. Can you tell that what are the obstacles faced by you in that while creating that innovation?
I mainly faced one problem, that is connecting sensors to our app. That is the main problem to run my project. I have taken that problem as an opportunity and I research on that topic and have find some solutions, and also I'm successfully connected that sensor with my application, and now that application is working, and I take that problem as an opportunity and tell to the madam I have completed this problem, and I got some appreciation from madam.
Yeah, that's really nice, Kiran. But Kalyani, what do you think about Kiran's project, how he has innovated into that opportunity?
It creates innovation problems, uh, and it can existing already, but actually um, it agree with that innovation is best chosen, like
Divya, is every problem creates one need, and I want to ask, every need creates an opportunity or not?
Maybe putting it in different perspectives, I think there is an opportunity in every single situation you see. Even here we can have, even here we can innovate and put it into an opportunity. But it's about in our thinking only. I believe that.
First of all, I take problems as I did not take the problems as a difficulty more, and it's a very harder situation to me. I take problems as simply, and I solve the problems with my new ideas and how could I overcome the problem with the new idea and finds the solution, and I'm simply finds my solutions to problems.
That's great, Karan. By considering all the opinions of our group, we came to conclude that problems are common in life. Instead of feeling them as obstacles, try to solve them and innovate them in your way of perspective.